Good morning, everyone. Online students, good morning. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Can you please respond to me in the chat, guys? Please respond to me in the chat. Perfect. Perfect. Yes. Very good morning, guys. Very good morning. So, yes, you can hear me. You can see the screen. All right. Let us start our today's session. So, guys, yes, before starting our today's sessions, as always, let us just try to have a very small and a quick recap of the concepts which we had covered in our yesterday's session. Since from yesterday onwards, we started discussing about session management. Yeah, we know what is actually a session. What is the meaning of a session? Session means it's a time frame between login and log out. Managing the time frame so that we can provide more better services to the client. Can I take this call? Just a minute, please don't mind. My mistake. Okay, so yeah, managing that, listen, managing the time frame so that we can provide more services to the client. That particular process is known as session management. So in order to track a user session, we can do that in different ways by using cookies, by using URL rewriting, by using hidden form fields. Like that, lot of options are there. So yesterday we started discussing about cookies. This is most commonly used way. So I showed you this diagram. Let me just try to, okay. I showed this diagram, and yesterday we have successfully completed this entire session. Yes or no? Everyone completed this entire session? Please respond. Anyone is pending? Raise your hand. Impressed. Everyone completed. So today we will be trying to move on with our next scenario. That is here, just like this. Layout for viewing the profile details and logout means, for example, let me just try to get back here. For example, already yesterday we have, okay, I'll do one thing. Let me just try to, okay. Now, con SVSTM system, MENAGR manager, and select star from REGISTRATION registration, and these are the values. These are the values are there. Okay, I mean, how many records are there here? 3 records are there. 3 records. Like first one is Rachel, John, and Kishan. Just some 3 records are there. Of course, four records. Totally 4 records are there. Now, what I want to do, I want to add one more. Let's try to add one more. Okay, let me just try to. This is it, right? App 6 session management. Let me close this. App 6 session management run on server. Okay. Okay. Now, yeah, I want to enter one more user. Let us just try to go like RAJU Raju. Username Raju, password I'll go with R123 password. First name RAJU Raju. Last name something like M, I guess. Mail ID RAJU Raju @gmail.com, and some mobile number also I'm trying to give. Let us check with register. Data registered successfully. Let's try to execute for one more time. And of course, our data came, right? Yes or no? So this is the entire process which we had covered in our yesterday's session. Like first, we have created our index.html page. First, we created our index.html page. From that page, slowly, we have framed with different Java files, JSP pages like that. Now, right now, after the first phase is completed, after this first phase is completed, we should be going back to register.jsp. That is exactly what it is printing like this. Am I clear with that? Now we need to enter username and password. Okay, what is the username which I have entered? Raju. Let me, yeah, capital R. Raju, R, okay, R-A-J-U, Raju. And what is the password? R123. R123. Okay, login. Now I need to give a click on login. If I gave a click on login, if I gave a click on login, what should happen next? That is our today's session. Are you understanding the point here? So if I gave a login, if I gave a click on login, my request should be going to user login servlet. Actually, already I have given that URL. Yes or no? But I did not create any servlet. I hope you understand the point here, guys. Respond here. Okay, so from here, the request should be going to user login servlet. Actually, from user login servlet, it is supposed to interact with the user login DAO. Okay, user login DAO. What we need to do that in that user login DAO, we will write a method. We'll write a method. Okay, what that method is going to do, that method is going to check whether the data is available in the database or not, basing upon the username and password. Okay, how? Select star from registration where username equal to question mark, password equal to question mark. Prepared statement. Yes or no? Now, whatever that data is retrieving, that data will pass it into a bean. And that bean will try to access it from user login servlet. Are you understand the point here? Respond. So first, what we need to create? First, am I supposed to create user login servlet, or else let's create login, user login DAO. User login DAO. I hope you understand the point here. You need to respond here. So come on, let's start creating user login DAO. Okay, let me just try to go like this, and inside this pack one, new class user login login DAO, user login DAO. And here I'm going to create a method. Okay, public void retrieve, retrieve, retrieve data, just a method retrieve data. Now I'm going to use the return type as user bean, and here user bean, let me go like bean equal to null, and return return null. Okay, guys, please listen to me once. I'm sorry, just a minute, listen to me once. Right now, inside this user login DAO, I'm taking a method retrieve data. And here, eyes on me, please. Eyes on the board. Eyes on the board. I'll give you time to write the code. No worries. If I need, I'll take tomorrow also. Not at all a problem. Understand the concept. Once you understand the concept, same thing will be there for remaining things also. Understand. Damn sure we'll see this tomorrow also. That is for sure. That is for sure. No worries. Slowly we can go. Okay. Right, retrieve data, and I'm going to take it as a parameter string. Let me go like username, user username, and AME username, and string password, string PASSWORD password. From where we will be getting this username and password? From the form action HTML. From that HTML, the request will be from this HTML, the request will be going to user login servlet. In user login servlet, we will be trying to get the values by using request dot get parameter method. Yes or no here? those values, we will be trying to assign those values to these parameters, and basing on those values I want to write our query, database query. Am I clear with that? Please respond, guys. One more time. Online students, I want you to kindly please help me here. So what I'm doing from here, first, the data will be coming from the form to the, tell me, user login servlet. From user login servlet, I need to call the method which is present in a user login dev. And that method is which method? Retrieved at parameterized method or non-parameterized method? How many parameters to type? Those two string values will be like username and password, which will be coming from the HTML, and it is present inside a user login servlet. Those will be trying to give a parameter for those methods. Are you understanding the point here? What is the return type for this user login DAO method? I mean, what is the return type here? User bean. Wait, user bean. Yes, employee name, first name, last name, all the data which is present in that row, we will be trying to pass that data. We'll be trying to set that data, and we'll pass that user bean to our user login servlet. Am I clear with that? Respond. So, for example, just for example, could you please tell me here right now what I need to do? We need to connect to the database. If we want to connect to the database, obviously what we should do, right? CATCH catch here exe exception e. Okay, exception e. All right, please tell me connect to the database. I need to connect to the database. Already connect, db connect is there now. Db connect, db connect dot get con method. What is the return type for this? Connection belongs to connection interface. Am I clear with that? After that, what we need to do? On dot prepare statement, and here we need to write our SQL query. What is the return type for this? PSTM belongs to prepared statement. Now I'll be writing the SQL query. I'll be writing the SQL query. Is it visible for everyone? Is it visible for everyone? Respond. Okay, I'll be writing the SQL query. SEL select star from registrata1 registration, where username, okay, where username equal to question mark, and PSSWORD password, password equal to question mark. I believe you understand the point here. Now, this question mark, we will be trying to get that from our servlet, from the servlet. Okay. Now we need to set. Please tell me PSTM dot set string one, and here what I need to give? Respond. We need to give the username. After that, PSTM dot set string. What we need to give? To and password. Okay. After that, PSTM dot execute execute query. Come on, selection group SQL queries. Execute query, and what is the return type for this? RESULT result set. Now, how many records will be there? Only one record. Come on. There is only one record. There is only one record. So, if I'm not using while, I'm using if. If there are multiple records, then I need to use while. If rs dot next. After that, please tell me. I will pass all the data. Which data? Hang on. Here, SC, okay, let me just try to go like SCR, okay, SCLET, select star from REGISTRATM registration, where username equal to RAJU Raju, and password equal to R123. So this is the record. Now what I want to do, this username, Raju username, password, first name, last name, mail ID, phone number, all these 6 objects, I want to pass them into a bean, user bean. Okay, so what I'm going to do, new user bean, and here I already made it as null, right? I'm just going to use it like this. Okay, now bean dot set username, tell me rs dot get string column 1, yes or no? And exactly the same, I'm going with let me go like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is set username, set password. After that, set first name. After that, set last name. After that, set mail ID. After that, set mobile. And here I will go with copy, paste it, and of course semicolon. This is 2, 3, sorry, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here what I need to go here, set, just like this. Now after setting all this data, okay, e dot print stack trace method. Okay, now after setting all these data, I'm going to return the bean. I hope you're understanding the point here. Now let's get back to the back one. And now here I need to create a servlet. Which servlet we need to create? A user login servlet. Okay, I'll give you time. Don't worry. Damn sure I'm going to give you the time. Okay. So right click, go to new class. What is that? User login login servlet, user login servlet, finish. And here I'm going to take extends extends http servlet, and here let me just try to use, hang on, @web servlet. What is that? login. Please make sure you're giving exactly the same. Otherwise, you'll not be able to get the data. All right. Login servlet. Okay. Now protected protected void do get or do post. Respond. Do post. Protected void do post. Post. Parameterized method or non-parameterized method. HTTP servlet request REQ, comma, HTTP servlet response RES. Okay, and here THRWS throws servlet exception, comma, IO exception. All right. Now, I need to call this method. I need to call this method. Where is this method present? User login DAO. Okay, new user login DAO, and here I'm just a minute. Oh, this is request. Okay, thank you. Who is this for pointing? Shalini? Yeah, thank you. Now here user login DAO equal to OBJ belongs to user login DAO. Okay. Now I need to call the method. What is that method, guys? What is that method here? Retrieve data. Okay. Now here obj dot retrieve data, and obviously we need to pass a parameter. Request dot get parameter, and I'm going to write like, are you understanding the code here, guys? Now here also I'm going to keep it like this. And could you please tell me, okay, hang on. Here I'll go with equal to bean bean. Come on, return type is user bean. What is the return type for this method? User bean. I'm just trying to get it like this. And you know that inside these double quotes, what we need to write, whatever the name here which we have given, the same name we need to give here. Yes or no? Username and here, oh, sorry, what is that? Here, what we need to give? Password. Let me just try to keep it like this. Now here, if if bean equal to null, else. Okay. Now system dot out dot println. I'm going with the no data, and here system dot out dot println result set acquired acquired. Basically inside this if else, this is not the code what we need to write. This is not the code what we need to write. I just want to check. Means here first what is the bean value I have taken? Null. If this query is correct, everything is correct, then result set will be getting executed and next method if block will be getting executed and that bean will be having some data. Yes or no? I'm actually trying to return that bean. So if the bean is equal to null, means something is problem. If the bean is not null, damn sure my data is present in the result set and I can do whatever I want with the data. So up to here, let's try to work it out. Shall we? So, okay, right click, run on server. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Okay, now here I'll go with the username. Okay, Rachel, Rachel. Sorry, not Rachel. Why Rachel is coming? Raju Raju and R123, right? Login. Okay, nothing got happened. I did not wrote any code. In if else, I did not wrote any code. Let me just try to check my console. In console, okay. Am I getting my result set? Means up to here my code is fine. I'm able to retrieve that. That what we are going to discuss, what we are going to do, we'll discuss, but I want you to kindly please have up to here right now. Did you understand my code? So please start with user login DAO. Please complete this. User login DAO. Online students, kindly please respond up to here. Is it clear for everyone? Online students, I want you to kindly please respond in the chat, guys. That is good. That is good. That is good. Please carry on. Up to here, please carry on the code. Write the code. Please don't copy paste. Try to write it by your own. It's okay to take time. Absolutely okay. Take time. No worries. Take time, no worries. Guys, I believe you're understanding the concepts, right? Yeah, please. Type it with two hands, not with one single finger. Type it with two hands. Starting it may take time, but slowly, slowly you will be habituated. Increase your typing skills also, please. At least 40 words per minute, or else 30. Copy pasting will take time. If you're trying to write the code by your own, it will be faster. Where is your laptop? Where is your laptop? Why? Pooja, bring the laptop. Bring the laptop. Right? Be fast. Be fast. Completed. Up to here completed. Good. Be fast. User login DAO completed. Completed. Whenever you are writing that user login DAO, please make sure to check with the column names, numbers correctly. Parameter index values. If you're not giving correctly, there you will be having a problem. All right. I believe user login DAO complete for everyone. How many are writing? Raise your hands. User login DAO. How much time you need? 2 minutes? 2 minutes. Complete. 2 minutes, guys. Please take time. 2 minutes. Be fast. If you completed user login DAO, go with user login servlet. And could you please tell me after this what I need to write? Eyes on the board. Eyes on the board. Eyes on the board, please. Please tell me when bean will be null if we are unable to retrieve the data. Okay. When we will be unable to retrieve the data, username and password is wrong. So message invalid login credentials. And I'm trying to use request dispatcher. You know what is use of this request dispatcher? And I'm forwarding that request to the register.jsp. You know, register.jsp. Yesterday only we created that. In register.jsp, when you speak of register, what will be happening? We'll be trying to get that message and we'll be trying to print that message and again we'll be going with our index.html. Yes or no? So I'm calling our register.jsp. Where is this? Okay. And after this, what I need to write, tell me please. rd dot forward request response. That is actually very good. Now, after that, guys, I believe you remembered this servlet objects diagram. You remember that? Yes. No. Yes or no? Hey, yes or no? Tell me here. We know about servlet request, servlet response, servlet program, print writer, bean, DAO, JCF. Yes or no? Now we are going to deal with the servlet context. I already told you servlet context object is the first object which it is going to create it whenever you are deploying your servlet. Yes or no? It contains the information about the server I told you. So what I'm going to do, let me just try to create a request dot get servlet context and here equal to context context belongs to servlet context. Now here what I'll be doing, I'm going to set the attribute context dot set attribute, which attribute I want to go with bean u bean bean, and I'm trying to pass this object user bean object in the network. in the entire request and response scenario. Are you understanding the point here? I respond here. I want to pass that object. Could you please tell me inside this user bean object, which data is there? Tell me. Tell me inside that user bean object, which data is there? From where we are getting this user bean object? From retrieve data method. Yes or no? From this, actually, we are setting the data. I believe you are getting the point here. That data, I am transferring that in my throughout my servlet context. I'm not speaking about servlet config. I'm speaking about servlet context. Means until I remove the object, that object will be there, so that I can use that any number of times anywhere. Not at all a problem. Am I clear with that? Now here I'm going to create new cookie. Okay. And for this cookie, I'll be trying to give a name. Just let me try to give a directly name, and which name I'm going to give, bean, bean dot get first name, and equal to, let me go like ck cookie. I'll go like this cookie, and of course I need to add this cookie to the response. I need to add this. Come on, I'm sending this cookie with the response dot add cookie, and after that I'll be sending the same to the, okay, once user being okay, once user being a name, means we are having this, and I'll go with the home.jsp. Nana, listen to this clearly. Once username and password is correct, user and password is correct, we need to display one more JSP page. In this new JSP page, what we will be having: welcome, my name should be displayed, and the cookie which we are forwarding also will be available here. C means cookie. Wait. What is a cookie? What is a cookie? What is a cookie? I told you yesterday only. It is a small piece of information travels throughout the request response scenario. Yes or no? No. Right now in our program, what is that small piece of information? First name. Yes or no? Here, I'm transferring that first name as a cookie throughout my servlet request response scenarios there. I believe you're getting the point here. Please respond. Now, which page I need to create? I need to create a home page. Just a second. Why I'm getting this error? Okay, right. Now, let me just try to create one more JSP page. Again, I'm saying a lot of times people will be trying to create that JSP page inside a WebINF. Don't do that. Where you need to create the JSP page? Web app. Okay, just let me try to right click new JSP. And what is this word I need to give? Home.jsp. Home.jsp and finish. Okay, I got my home.jsp. Means I need to create something like this. Welcome, Kishan, view profile logout. Okay, something, it should be displayed like this. Okay. Then I'll do one thing. First, what I need to do, I'll be using my scriptlet tag, and here I'm setting an attribute. From where I'm setting the attribute? Please tell me, guys, from where I'm setting the attribute? Context. Which context? Servlet context. If I'm trying to set the attribute from request dot set attribute. Nana, you need to concentrate. Request dot set attribute. Okay, that's it. Request dot set attribute. Wait, where we will be writing this request dot set attribute? In the servlet. In the JSP, we need to use request dot get attribute, yes or no? Now, am I using request or context? So in JSP, I should not use request. We need to use one more implicit object known as a application. This application belongs to servlet request. Are you understanding the point here? Okay, now application dot get attribute. What is the name I have given here? What's the name? You need to respond here. You been. Okay, I'm keeping it you been here equal to, let me go like bean belongs to, tell me, user bean, belongs user bean, and of course typecast. I'll go with the typecast. Now, what I need to, okay, just let me try to get back here. What is the bean here? Okay, from this bean, what I want to display, I want to display welcome Kishan. Okay, so home.jsp, I'll go with the out.println, out.println. Here, I'll go with the, wait, and I'll go with the H1, I guess. Okay, out.println welcome, welcome, welcome. What I want to create here, welcome. Okay, so plus bean dot get first name. Are you understanding the point here? Welcome dot bean first name. I mean get first name. Okay, and after that again, what I need to display? I need to display view profile and log out. Okay, now here I'll just try to go with the BR one more, just like this, and anchor tag a href href view profile. Let me just go like here view. I'll go with the view and VIEW view PROFILE view profile. Let me close my anchor tag, and after that what I need to do, href logout, logout, logout. I believe you're getting the point here. Respond. Okay, logout, and here what I need to go, simply I'll go with logout, logout, logout. And yeah, let me just try to use breaks to break statement here and here. So up to here, I just want to check. Up to here, I just want to check. Let me just try to get back. No, I'll close it and right click, run as Java, sorry, run on server. Okay, starting. Okay, and Raju R123 login. Welcome Raju, view profile and logout. Up to now, is it clear or not? Kindly please do remember, inside this we are having a cookie. We are having a cookie. Am I clear with that? Whenever we are giving a click on this view profile, this action will be going to this view servlet. Listen up. Here in the home page, whenever we are giving a click on view profile, it will be going to view profile servlet. Along with that request, this cookie also will be traveling in the network. Am I clear with that? We can use that according to our requirements. Up to now, is it clear for everyone? So view profile dot servlet, we'll discuss that. But up to here, kindly please try to have this. You are present. I mean, I believe everyone is complete with user login DAO. Yes or no? Now you are dealing with user login servlet. Please carry on. Please carry on. Please carry on. Have this. Online students, could you please uh, wait? Where are my online students? Okay, guys, you can. Yes, I'm unable to see you. Up to now, is it clear, guys, for everyone? Online students, please respond to me in the chat. Please, please carry on. Carry on, carry on, carry on. Please carry on. Whenever you are writing the code only, you should be able to understand. Please take time, no worries. I'll give you 15 minutes time, 10 to 15 minutes time. Try to work it out. Pranav, you're asking me, sir, am I in cookie? Will be having the complete data or only the first name? I told you, only the first name. Okay. What is the value present inside that cookie? Guys, you need to respond here. What is the value present inside cookie? Raju. Raju. What is the name of the cookie? Name. Name. The name itself is name. Hey, yes or no here? Or else I'll do one thing. Let me just try to make it as C name. What is the name of our cookie? C name. What is the value present in that cookie? Raju. Okay. Please. Please. 5 minutes. 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes. How many are writing user login servlet? Raise your hands, please. Everyone. Raise your hand. Okay. Two minutes. The people who already completed this, you can go with home.jsp. I believe this is complete for everyone. User login servlet completed. Completed. How much time? 2 minutes. Be fast. In the meantime, you can go with others. The people who completed, you can go with the home.jsp. If you are using servlet request, then the implicit object present inside JSP is request setting attribute, request dot set attribute. Whenever you are using servlet context, then the implicit object, what is the implicit object? Application. Application dot get attribute. Remember that attribute is servlet context. You'll be trying to get that bean, user bean. Two minutes. 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. People who are not practicing in laptops, please make sure that you should be doing that. Okay? Please go to the lab and make sure to do that. If you're not practicing that, you will forget. There is a reason why I'm asking you to bring your laptops here, right? So laptop is not available. Feel free to ask your friends. Friends are not giving. Feel free to go to the lab. All right. All right. I believe it's complete for everyone. Okay. From here, I mean to say from where? From here, if we gave a click on this view profile, where we should be going? We should be going to view profile servlet. Okay. From this view profile servlet, we should be going to view profile JSP. I mean, what this view profile servlet is going to do. Let's find it out. Let's find it out. Let me just try to create a servlet. What is it? VIE view profile servlet servlet view profile servlet servlet. Okay. Now, guys, by the way, here, am I using any methods like get method, post method? Am I using any methods here? No. So I already told you, when you are speaking about get method and post method, if you're not writing anything, then obviously it will be get method, right? So, so view profile servlet ext and yes extends HTTP servlet, and here protect protected void do, tell me, do get, and here I'm going to, it is a parameterized method HTTP servlet request req and HTTP servlet response res. Okay, and now just for our understanding purpose, I'm going to use override and here at the rate web servlet. What is our servlet here? View. This is our servlet view. Okay. Now what I'll be doing, along with this request, whenever we are giving a click on this anchor tag, along with this, I'll be able to get my cookie information also. Yes or no? I'll be trying to get that key. Okay. How you are going to get that cookie? By using request dot get cookie, get cookies. You know what? The return type for this get cookies is array. Cookie array. Let me just try to equal to, let me make it like this. Cookie array. Array, yes, array. You know what? We can pass multiple cookies. And each cookie, I mean, starting, it will be like from 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. Index position. Hey, you know how data will be stored in arrays here? Yes or no? Index position, right? So, anyways, now what I'm going to do here, let me just try to take string f name equal to null. Nothing is there here, null. But what I'll be doing, if arr dot length equal to 0. Did you remember length variable and length method, guys? You know what? I'll don't go with length. I'll just simply go with if arr equal to null. I don't want to go with 0 also. I'll just go with, oh, wait. If I'm going with null, oh, I need to go with this one. Okay, no problem. Arr dot length equal to 0. Let's fight. Let's try to check that what happens. Let's see. Means nothing is there. No data is there. Nothing is there. So message request dot set attribute message. What is that message I'm going to give here? Session 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 expired session expired. When I'll be getting the length is equal to 0 if there are no cookies. Yes or no? So if there are no cookies, this is the message it should be displayed. That is session expired and I need to send my request back to register.jsp. So req request dot get request dispatcher, get request dispatcher here, regist here, register dot jsp equal to RD belongs to request dispatcher. And I'm forgetting something. What I need to write here, RD dot forward request response. And of course, THROWS throws servlet exception, comma, IO exception. Okay. Now I'm using yeah, I'm using actually for each. I'll use for each. And now what I'll be doing, ERR, and I'll go with the COOKIE cookie. Let me go like C. And if I'll go, what is the cookie name we have given? C name, right? I'll go with C name. C name. Just let me try to go like this. C name dot equals C dot get name. I'll go like this. If that is like this, then F name equal to C dot get value. Take a minute time and please observe what is happening in those lines. Just take a minute time. Damn sure I'm going to explain, but you just try to observe what is happening here, please. I can directly, what if I'm going with null? No problem. I can directly go with null also, not at all issues. Anyways, just try to check that. Just try to check that what is happening. Try to understand. Okay, just okay. Simple question. What get name method is going to return? What get name method is going to return? It is going to return the name of the cookie, not the value, name. And here we have given the name of the cookie, yes or no. Like that, we can create any number of cookie objects. We can create any number of cookie objects. For this cookie, what is the value we are assigning? First name. Are you getting the point here? So what I am trying to do here, I told you get cookies method is going to return an array. In that array, we may have any number of cookies. Not like 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not sure. We can have any number of cookies. In those cookies, what I'm trying to use, I'm trying to retrieve all those cookies by using for each loop. For each loop, yes or no, tell me. Now, each cookie name I'm trying to retrieve. And if that cookie name is equal to CNAME, then that cookie value I'm trying to retrieve, that value I'm assigning it to my first name. I mean F name. Am I clear with that? My intention is I will send this F name as a parameter to view profile servlet. Are you understanding the point here? Respond, guys. I can get that first name directly from bean. No, I want to get that from a cookie. That is our main intention. We are trying to track the cookie. Are you getting the point here? Respond, guys. So what I'm going to do here, here, okay, let me go like request dot set attribute, request dot set attribute. Here I'll go with f name, and here what I'm going to give f name. Are you understanding the point here? Please respond. What would be the value of this f name? What is the value here? Respond, Raju. How you are getting that value? We are getting that value from the key. From where here we are assigning the first name. I believe you are getting the point here. That value we are trying to get it in another servlet, session tracking, session management. Okay. And now here what? Okay. I'm going to forward my request to, what is that? View. What is that? View profile dot JSP. Okay. Now here view VIE view PROFILE view profile dot JSP. So obviously I need to create one more JSP. What is that? New JSP. Let me go like view profile dot, okay, VI view PROFILE profile dot JSP. Okay, now inside this view profile dot JSP, again I'll be writing my code, servlet code, and here what I need to, I mean inside this view profile dot JSP, I should display something like this. This profile belongs to first name, whatever the first name we are getting from that cookie, and we should display the profile details. We should display the profile details. Okay, then I'll do one thing. Let me just try to use request dot get attribute. Request dot get attribute. Which attribute I want to get here? F name. F name, and here equal to string F name. I'm just trying to give F name. It's not mandatory that this and this should be same. Yes or no? And here I'll just want to go with like a string string. I want to get my context object also. Application. Tell me, application dot get attribute. What is the name I have given here for servlet context? You bean, right? Okay, so I'm going to get that u bean, so that I'll be going to get my bean, okay, equal to user bean. Okay, and of course I need to typecast it into user bean object. Okay, now everything is correct. Okay, now simply I'll go with yeah, that's our pronoun. We can use multiple times, no issues. Okay, now simply let me just try to use out dot print ln, out dot ln, and here I'll go with the h1. Okay, out dot ln, this session belongs to plus f name, belongs to f name, and after that, okay, let me go with out dot print ln bean dot get first name plus bean dot get last name. I'm not displaying username and password. Come on. In profile, generally will not be displaying username and password. Okay. And plus bean, oh, sorry, plus bean dot get, what is that? Mail ID plus bean, oh, bean dot get, what is that? Mobile, get mobile. Okay, just like this. And here, let me just try to use my break statement. Okay, here also I'll using that break statement. Okay, after that means here we need to go with the logout also. Yes or no? We need to display logout. Okay. Now here I want to go with logout. I'll just use the anchor tag. Same anchor tag. I'm going to use the same, exactly the same anchor tag. Am I clear with this? That's it. So let's try to find it out. Okay. I'm closing it. So right click, run on server, and username Raju, password R123, login, and I'll be able to, okay, welcome Raju, view profile. This session belongs to Raju. How I got this Raju? From the cookie. I believe you're getting the point here. And first name, last name, mail ID, phone number. And if we gave a click on logout, we should be removing all the cookies from the context. We should remove the context attribute also. Everything should be removed. And again, we should be going to our index.html page. Home. I mean, yeah, index.html page. Am I clear with that? We'll discuss that tomorrow. How to do that logout servlet, we'll discuss that tomorrow. But up to now, is it clear for everyone? Kindly please try to check this. From where? From here, right? View profile, yes or no? Please continue. Please continue. right. Is it completed? Yes. All right. Do me a small favor, guys. After this view profile servlet, you need to write, tell me, view profile, respond, JSpawn. I mean, sorry, view profile, JSP. Okay. Up to today, I mean to say today, whatever the files which we had covered, which we have written, could you please take a pic, please? Today's code. Today, what we discussed, we first wrote user login DAO. Please be fast. Can I change it? Now, after that, we wrote user login servlet. After that, we wrote home.jsp. After that, we wrote view profile servlet. This is actually important, by the way. Why? Because here only we are using cookies. View profile servlet. Then we have written view profile JSP. View profile JSP. Enough. Tomorrow we are going to deal with logout, and I'm going to go with one more also. That is, let's go with edit option also. I'm able to see the details, right? I just want to edit the details also. Tomorrow we'll be trying to discuss that. No issues. Am I clear with that? Dot. So that's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. We'll be trying to continue our sessions again by tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Thank you. Online students, I believe you enjoyed our today's sessions, guys. Please respond to me. Right. Okay. Pratik, in view profile servlet, here we are using else part. What is happening in else part? You will be able to understand it clearly only if you are having a proper knowledge on core Java. Yes or no? Guys, tell me. What is happening here? We are trying to retrieve the cookies, all the cookies from your array, and which cookie is matching with the cookie which you have given that name. That cookie value, we are assigning that value to our f name so that we can use that in our JSP. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. So see you guys. See you tomorrow. Have a great day. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Thank you.